Hey everybody, it's me, Jennifer DeRozier, your favorite realtor. While I have a couple of quiet minutes, I wanted to give you a sneak peek of this gorgeous home that I'm holding open today here in Cape Coral. I am actually south of Cape Coral Parkway, right on Saxony Court. So super close to the yacht club, close to the restaurant district. I know if you've paid attention to the growth in Cape Coral at all, you know that our small family-owned and run restaurants, and some of the good chains, but really our specialty has become, fancy, fun, young person dining. So whether it's casual pizza like Nice Guys or beautiful culinary amazement like La Courte, that's, practically walking distance from here, with everything in between. If you like the chains, but you still want that Florida grown feel, there's always Ford's, which is also right around the corner. And then of course the Boathouse, which is at the Cape Coral Yacht Club around the corner from this home. So it's a great location. Location's almost everything, right? But this home has even more than that. So I want to show you around, but first let me tell you the details. We are listed at $499,995. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home. The kitchen, the bathrooms, all updated. The flooring, gorgeous tile. Let me just spin this around here and show you the pool. So this is your view from the main living area. Not only do you have a gorgeous pool with an oversized lanai with ample seating and a pool bath so you don't have to trek water in, but you also are on one of the deepest canals in the entire city with direct access, no bridges between you and the Gulf. You can see that boat on your captain's dock. You've got water and electric on your boat dock. No hassle, just get up and go. Let's see. So from the front door, you've got the first of 2 living areas. Plenty of space here. You've got a separate dining, plenty of room for a formal sitting room. They've got it set up as a home office. Just through the doorway, you've got another living space open to the kitchen. I love that for entertaining. Notice your newer appliances, granite countertops, yet another slider out to your gorgeous pool area. And then the first of 2 guest rooms, ample closet space, close to the guest bath, which also features dual sinks. Hi guys, that's me. I want to point out again that you've got a separate entrance to the lanai, so that makes days by the pool super convenient. These guest rooms are very sizable. I really think this is a great layout. Whether you're using it as a vacation home, an investment, or if you plan to stay and live here yourself, like so many Floridians get to do. Okay, this is your master. Full of light, a 3rd slider out to the pool area, and then a similar setup with the dual sinks, a vanity space, love that, and a walk-in shower. It's a great home, guys. I don't want you to miss. So that's your sneak peek. I will be here until 4 o'clock. Come and take a look, and hopefully you fall in love. Have a wonderful Sunday, everybody. Bye-bye.